In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI Brainstorming Gem. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can start generating strong ideas right away. First, open a Gemini account. Head to the official Gemini AI site or app and create an account or sign in if you already have one. Make sure you can access your dashboard smoothly. That's where everything lives. If you're brand new, take a moment to confirm your email and review the basic settings so your workspace is ready. A clean start helps prevent hiccups later. Once you're in, look for the section called Gems. Think of gems as ready-made tools inside Gemini that are tailored to common tasks. Instead of building from scratch, you can jump straight into a focused experience designed to help with specific goals. You'll see a variety of options here, but we're heading to the Brainstormer. Click the Brainstormer gem. This tool is built to spark ideas quickly and organize them in a useful way. Whether you're crafting video concepts, product names, blog topics, or event themes, the Brainstormer gives you a structured push so you're not starting from a blank page. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar within Gems and type Brainstormer. Now you can enter your prompts. Your prompt is simply your request, written clearly. The more context you provide, the better the results. Describe your goal, who it's for, the style or tone you want, and any limits like number of ideas or time frame. For example, you might write, brainstorm 10 creative podcast episode ideas for beginners learning photography, friendly tone, practical tips, include a short one-line hook for each. Short, clear instructions help Gemini focus on what matters most. If you already have a direction, add it. If you're wide open, say that too, and specify variety. After you submit your prompt, wait patiently while it generates your ideas. Processing time can vary depending on your request and your connection, so give it a moment. You'll see the output appear in organized form. Read through the suggestions, notice patterns you like, and flag anything that stands out. If something feels close but not quite right, adjust your prompt with a small tweak. Maybe change the audience, the tone, or the number of ideas, and run it again. Tiny refinements often produce a big improvement. That's it. You opened your Gemini account, went into Gems, selected the Brainstormer, entered a clear prompt, and waited for the results. With a thoughtful prompt and a little patience, the Brainstorming Gem turns uncertainty into a solid list of directions you can act on today.